Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an OnlyFans for an AI model. So, let's get started. First of all, you need to create your OnlyFans account. Go to the OnlyFans website, sign up with your email, and choose a strong password. Once you are signed in, you'll need to customize your profile, including uploading a profile picture and writing a bio that reflects your AI model. Now, setting up an AI model for OnlyFans is a little different. You will want to create or use an AI generated avatar like a virtual influencer or a 3D character using softwares and other AI tools. Once you have your digital model ready, you can upload videos, images, and other content that your audience can interact with. Make sure you stay creative and keep your content engaging. Finally, when it comes to pricing, OnlyFans gives you the flexibility to set subscription rates or charge per post, so you can decide how you want to monetize your AI model's content. You can also use promotion strategies to grow your subscriber base and keep your fans engaged with exclusive content. And that's it. Now you know how to create an OnlyFans for an AI model. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.